Living at the iconic Al Beetle designed mid-century modern landmark towers is all about location, amenities, and the view. Situated just south of Camelback on Central Ave, it puts you right at the nerve center of Phoenix. Walk to restaurants, bars, parks, and coffee shops or jump on the light rail to head out on your daily adventure. Let's check out the amenities. You can get a workout in at the nicely appointed gym, lounge poolside and grill, have a get-together in the residence center, screen a movie with your besties, play some billiards in the library, or enjoy the 17th floor Penthouse Rooftop Lounge that has sweeping views of downtown and beyond. If you're just wanting to vibe inside, you can do that in your 12th level flat. 12H is 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and faces south. It's your lofty private hideaway. You can enjoy the views of the downtown Phoenix skyline from the wall of windows and private balcony. This is definitely more than just a room with a view. Make sure to put 12H on your must-see list.